If you want to change the appearance in your Yahoo Mail account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to customize the look of Yahoo Mail by changing the theme, adjusting the background, and updating the message layout and spacing. This is a simple way to make your inbox feel more comfortable, more organized, and easier to use every day. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear or cogwheel. This is where Yahoo Mail keeps most of its appearance options. After you click settings, you should see a panel open with different customization choices. One of the first things you can change is the theme. The theme controls the background and overall visual style of your Yahoo Mail interface. Browse through the available themes and pick the one that looks best to you. Some themes are light and clean, while others are darker or more colorful, so take a moment to choose one that matches your preference. As soon as you select a theme, Yahoo Mail will usually apply it right away, so you can instantly see the difference. If you want your inbox to feel less crowded or easier on the eyes, the next thing to adjust is the message layout and spacing. This controls how your emails are displayed and how much space appears between items in your inbox. Depending on the options available in your account, you may be able to switch between compact, comfortable, or more spacious layouts. A compact layout can show more emails on the screen at once, while a roomier layout can make messages easier to read. Try a few different settings until you find the one that feels best for your workflow. Once you've selected your theme and updated the message layout, take a quick look at your inbox to make sure the changes look the way you want. If anything feels too bright, too dark, or too crowded, you can always go back into settings and adjust it again. That's one of the best things about Yahoo Mail customization, because you can fine-tune the appearance anytime without losing any of your emails or account data. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the appearance in your Yahoo Mail account by opening settings, choosing a theme, and adjusting the message layout and spacing. It only takes a few moments, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your inbox feels to use. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.